I'm not gonna make this hard. Oh my God, look at that madness. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're gonna be doing a galaxy pour on a 12 by 12 canvas. The colors we're using are Prism Violet, Brilliant Blue, Dioxazine Purple, Cerulean Blue, Oxide Black, and Titanium White. We're gonna get right into it, not even gonna waste any time. First things first, we're gonna start layering our cup. I wanna start off with a dark color. So we're gonna start with this Dioxazine Purple. Now we're gonna have subtle layers in here, a lot of subtle layers. I want this thing to be able to open up and just show all the magic on the canvas. All these paints were mixed 3-to-1 with Floetrol, American type, and paint. And there is 2 drops of Penetrol in each color. Kind of going for some dynamic cell effects, and I'm loving the effects that I'm getting with Penetrol recently. So the white, I'm gonna let it churn, because I don't want it to be overly bright. I also don't want it to be too dark, so we're not gonna have much black, but I'm not gonna churn the black yet. We will though. All right, let the blue kind of churn through just a little. Let's go back to the violet. Put it on that side over there. Let's brighten this whole composition up with a little bit of cerulean blue. Now I'm not being super careful to layer the cup any special way or order. I'm just, having fun with it. And that's the most important part of this art. You have to enjoy doing it. And I absolutely, thoroughly enjoy doing it. I could sit here all day, just mixing paints, pouring paints, bringing that magic to the world with you guys. All right, I'll let that white churn again. I don't think I'll do that again. That's the second time and probably the last. I'm gonna let the black churn just a little. So we don't want it to be too bright. Galaxies aren't super bright. All right, introduce the cerulean blue in there again. Now the reason I'm letting it churn too, not only is it gonna create that subtle gradient between the colors, it is going to separate the layers, creating an interesting, more galactic-esque look. And that's what I'm going for. All right, a lot of these colors I'm putting on now, they're not gonna be shown. So we're just gonna let the cup fill all the way up. We're gonna set this off to the side and get these paints off to the side for later. And this is our base coat. Our base coat is Oxide Black, also mixed 3-to-1 with Floetrol. And there is no silicone, there is no Penetrol, there's no nothing in this at all. This is basically just a layer to protect the canvas. All right, let's get this paint on there. How's everybody doing this wonderful day? I've missed you guys. All right, so I think from my last one, I made a giant mess. And we're gonna try not to. I actually filled it up even higher than last time, so that's gonna make it difficult, but maybe on, no, I'm not gonna make this hard. Oh my God, look at that madness. Wow. All right, guys, well, if that came out of me just flipping the cup, can you believe this? Oh my gosh. What is my life? What is this? Where am I? Some of the cell effects that came out of that are just insanity. I don't even understand it, but that's fine. Let's get rid of some of these bubbles, you guys. Oh my Lord, I'm giddy. You hear me? You hear it in my voice, I'm sure you do. All right. The Penetrol's not having this crazy effect like normal. I just was popping bubbles. Maybe it's because it didn't touch like directly. Well, geez, guys, I kind of just like it the way it is, actually. All right, well, if that did that, then this can only be better. Oh, I wasn't wrong. Look at that cup. Can you see that? Just these cells just exploding to the surface. My goodness. I love this already. This is wondrous. Dark blue. Yeah, that crazy lacing in there. This white, just like wispy ghost lines. So freaking beautiful. All right, we're gonna try to pop bubbles with the heat gun. I don't want to create like a massive bunch of cell effects by using the torch, so I'm just trying to pop what I can with the heat gun. You guys, like, I am beyond words right now. This is glorious looking. All right, and we're just gonna spin it and see what happens. It almost looks like a squid, kinda, I think. What do y'all think? To me, it kind of looks like a squid. I want to keep some of this and maybe not as much of that, so I want to bring it to the middle just a little. And 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I'm watching it just in real time widen out like that. That is amazing. What is this stuff here? This penetrol is like a magic ingredient. This is just crazy, guys. It's absolutely insane. All right, let me just do this and maybe a light spin. So I do want it to flow over the side on that side. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed in my life. Okay, well, I'm gonna take the heat gun to it and pop any of the residual bubbles that were in it. This was a simple pour, very easy, but absolutely gorgeous. We got some awesome effects. My goodness. Well, I'm just gonna bring you guys down to look at this because this thing came out phenomenal. I am so happy. Wow. I am absolutely blown away by just the color variations and the delicate cells. All the really fine lacing. And we have so many different variations of cells. We have big bubbly cells, we have square cells, we have cells within cells. Oh, it's just amazing.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.